Well, good day, smart traders. I trust each and every one of you are ready for another profitable day within the market. Let's kick things off by having a look at today's economic calendar.
Today's economic calendar is jam-packed with exciting events that will have market participants on the edge of their seats. The Federal Reserve's two-day policy meeting, which concludes at 8 o'clock South African Standard Time, is of popular interest. But before that, the release of the ADP non-farm employment data and the services PMI reading will create some fantastic trading opportunities earlier in the day. But wait, there's more. Don't miss your chance to win a limited edition branded mug. Simply like this video, comment the answer to the following question, and make sure you are subscribed to our channel to be eligible to win. What is the nickname of the British pound? Is it A, Sterling, B, Big Ben, or C, Brit? The giveaway will take place once we reach 300 subscribers. T's and C's apply.
Let's move on by having a look at what's making headlines within the financial markets today.
Let's kick things off with currency news. The dollar fell after data showed that US job openings fell in March. US job openings have fallen for a third straight month, and layoffs have increased to the highest level in over 2 years, suggesting that some softening in the labor market. This could aid the Fed's fight against inflation, as traders try to gauge whether the Fed will pause rate hikes or if further increases are possible if inflation remains high. Now let's take a closer look at the analysis on AUD-CAD. This currency pair is currently hovering just below that primary resistance zone. Should we get a close below 0.907, we could see this pair decline all the way back down to that next support at 0.9. Moving on to Wall Street. US stock futures experienced a negative session as a continuing financial contagion soured risk appetite ahead of the Federal Reserve's latest policy decision and fresh earnings results. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 1.1%, the S&P 500 dipped 1.2%, and the Nasdaq slipped 1.1%. In extended deals, Advanced Micro Devices fell 6.5% after reporting Q1 earnings per share. Ford Motor Company dipped 1.6%, and Starbucks slipped 5.2%. Now let's shift our focus to the Dow Jones analysis. US 30 is currently trading inside that support zone. A break and a close to either side of the zone could either trigger a rally or a decline on this specific index. Moving on to commodities. Oil prices sank about 5% to a 5-week low on concerns about the economy as US politicians discuss ways to avoid a debt default, and traders prepare for more rate hikes this week. Brent fell 5% to settle at $75.32 a barrel, while WTI fell 5.3% to end at $71.66 a barrel. That was the lowest close for both benchmarks since March 24 and was also the biggest one-day percentage decline since early January. Now let's take a closer look at the analysis on crude oil for today. This commodity could potentially come back for a retest at that zone at $74 a barrel. However, should we get a close below $71 a barrel, this could trigger a further decline down to $68 a barrel. Lastly, let's finish things off with gold. The yellow metal rallied due to increased safe haven demand amid renewed fears of a banking crisis and uncertainty over monetary policies before a Federal Reserve rate decision. Gold prices rose sharply as US bank stocks faced a flurry of selling after the government brokered takeover of First Republic Bank by JP Morgan Chase sparked concerns that several other regional US lenders were facing solvency issues. Regional bank stocks such as PacWest and Western Alliance slumped between 15 and 30%. Looking at the analysis for gold today, after yesterday's rally, I would wait for a break of that support level and a close below 2009 before looking for any short positions on the yellow metal. However, a close above 2020 could trigger an additional rally all the way up to 2028.
So that is it from us here at Smart Online Trader. Should you be interested in any additional services that we offer, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the peace be with you. Cheers.